we were looking at chart logic. All right. So chart logic is what we were looking at. So could we continue with 14th, please? 14th. Can we continue with 14th? Can you try the 14th one? Chart logic. Shreya is started off the block already. She says it is, she has given an answer. Let us see that. Rishita has also answered. Good. Let's see that. Ruchita has answered. Okay. Let's see. Sindhura has answered. Sindhura has answered. Yeah, so now let's look at this. Look at this bit. What do we have here? We have an alphabet sequence, and let's look at the alphabet sequence. If you see, RO gives us a clue. RO gives us a clue. So RO means what? RO, if you go in the reverse direction, O, there is a gap of 2 letters after R. So R, 2 letters and gap. R, 2 letters, O. Similarly, if you look at G and C, between G and 3, so 3-letter gap is there. So to C. So going by this logic, okay, Z, okay, should have 2 gaps, Y, X. So you have Z, Y, X, and the next one is W. So the first one is W. So therefore, it could be either A or it could be C, one of these. Next is after R, O, there should be a 3-letter gap. 1, 2, 3. 3-letter gap. So that 3-letter gap would lead us to N, M, L, and K. N, M, L, and then K. So the next letter after W should be K. So there is only one that is satisfying that, and that is C. So therefore, answer is C. We don't even have to look at the third one. So the third question mark is not required. So we can answer on this basis. Answer is C. Let's go on to 15th. Let's do the 15th problem. Let's look at the 15th problem. Uh, 15th, Rishita has already answered. Okay. And Ashreya has answered. Ashreya has got a different answer, but that seems to be correct. Rishita, you got to look at your answer, Rishita. Kiranmai also has to look at her answer. Ruchita has got the answer. Okay. So it's a similar logic. You can't make mistakes here. It's a similar logic. You can't make mistakes here. What is the logic? We will see. Aditi, yes, Aditi, you're right. Ruchita is also right. Bhagirath, you got to look at your answer, Bhagirath. Doesn't seem to be the answer. Okay. Sindhura. Sindhura. Yes, that's right, Sindhura. Sairam Satvik, you got to look at your answer, Satvik. Doesn't seem to be okay. Doesn't seem to be okay. Yes, Satvik. Yeah, W. Why is it? What is the logic? What is the logic? Shreya has given the logic. What is the logic? Okay. Can somebody give me the logic? Bhagirath, can you give me the logic? Yes. If you see, the difference between the letters increases by 1. So going column wise, yeah. If you go column wise, it increases by 1. If you go row wise, it increases by 4 and 6. If you go row wise, it increases. Column wise, it is 1. So B, C, D, G, G, H, I, then N, O, P, Q. So 2, 3, 4. So like that, if you see, the difference increases. Similarly, D, E, F, G, then K, J, K, L, M. So 3 letters. Then R will be 4. P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. So there will be a 4 letters gap, and then you get W. So answer is clearly W. So that is clear and straightforward. Answer is W. Okay, let's go on. Let's try the 16th one. May not be all that obvious, but at the same time, not all that tough. May not be all that obvious, at the same time, not very tough. So let's look at this. Who can give the answer first? Shreya has given the answer. Shreya, what's the logic, Shreya? What's the logic? What's the logic? Yes, she got it right. She got it right. Okay, let's see who else can answer this. Let's see who's sharp. Okay, who can answer this? Who are the people who can answer this? No one yet. No one yet. Madhumita is back. Madhumita is there today in the class. Welcome, Madhumita. And good afternoon. And good. Started off with the right answer. Madhumita has got it. Very nice. Fantastic. Now, who else will get it? Aditi, you got to check your answer, Aditi. Doesn't seem to be all right, Aditi. Ruchita has got it. Yes, Ruchita. That seems to be the answer. Ruchita has got it. Now, what's the logic? I'll give some a couple of minutes for the others also to get it. Okay. And then I will give the answer. I'll give the logic. I'll just wait for a couple of minutes for the others also to join. Okay. So far about five have answered. Let's see who else. Where is Anaga today? Where is Harshit today? Bhagirath, what is your answer? Tara is absent. Sindhura doesn't look like the answer, Sindhura. Kiranmai, can you answer? Sindhura, you got to check your answer. Who is Redmi? Harshit, you got to check your answer. Who is Redmi? Who is Redmi? Redmi, your answer is wrong. Please identify yourself. Harshit, you got to check your answer. What was your logic, Harshit? What's your logic, Harshit? It doesn't seem to be okay, but let me understand your logic. No logic. Okay. I'm just giving, I'm now going ahead with the answers now. I've given enough time. I'm giving the answer. Okay. Right. Now let's look at 36. Let's look at 36. 36 is equal to 2 cube plus 1 cube plus 3 cube. 3 cube is 27, 27 plus 1, 28, 28 plus 8 is 36. All right. Same case, 91 if you see is 0 cube anyway is 0, 4 cube plus 3 cube. So 64 plus 27, that is equal to your 91. Now, what do you want? You want this. And that is equal to, that question mark is equal to, all right, 4 cube plus 2 cube plus 1 cube. So 4 cube is 64 plus 8, 72 plus 1, 73. So answer is 73. So that is how you got it. I hope Harshit, you got it. I hope the others also have got it. All right. Now let's go on to the next question. Next question is 17th. 17th question. Let's try to answer this. Let's try to answer this. Yeah, Aditi, you got it right. Rishita, 17th, you're already ready with 17th. Okay. Let us see. Ashray has answered it. Redby has still not identified himself or herself. Okay, Shreya has given the logic too. Very nice. Okay. Kiran Mai, good. Kiran Mai has given the answer. Madhumita, we are waiting for your answer. Sairam Satvik, fantastic. Got it right. You look at the figures themselves, look at the numbers out there. The numbers out there give you the clue. Sindhura, fantastic. Okay, Ruchita, you got it. All right. Now, if you see the numbers, okay, I'm just tempted to give you a hint, but let me wait for somebody else. Okay, Redmi, you still not identified yourself. Answer is all right. Okay. If you see all the numbers out there on the outside are all squares. Yes, Madhumita, good, you got the answer. Good. So they're all squares. So that should give you a hint. They're all square. They're all perfect squares. They're all perfect squares. So that should give you an answer. Yes. Okay. Now I'm going ahead and answering this question. I've given sufficient time to people. Tara, good afternoon. You woke up now. Very nice. Our other guest star Shreyas is not there today. Shreya has answered. Very good. Okay. So let's look at this. Now, if you see, I'm proceeding to give the answer. If you see, yes, Aditi, you got the answer. So if you see 49 square root is 7, 36 square root is 6, 64 square root is 8 and 5. Now let's add up all of these. So 5 plus 6 is 11, 11 plus 7 is 18, 18 plus 8 is 26. That is how you have arrived at 26. Similarly, if you see, you will know how you have arrived at 21. Now, what you need to do is take the square roots 5, 12, 6 and 8. So 8 plus 12 is 20, 20 plus 11 is 31. So answer is 31. So that's how you get the answer. 17th answer is D, that is 31. Now let's go on to another type of question. Okay, let's see who can give the answer. Let's see who can give the answer. Okay. Ashreya has already given the answer. This is Kiranmai has given. Sairam Satwik has given. Okay. This is quite straightforward. Quite straightforward. Just a little bit of manipulation out there. Aditi has given the answer. Madhumita has given the answer. Okay, she's informed today. Sindhura has given the answer. Bhagirath, Harshit has given the answer. Very nice. Tara, where are you? Ruchita, where are you? Yep. Tara, yes, you got the answer. Good. Ruchita, you already gave the answer. Okay, sorry, I didn't see that. Okay. All right. Shivani. Okay, good afternoon, Shivani. You got the answer. All right. Fantastic. I think everybody has got the answer. Okay. Tara says cross multiply and add. That is what we should do. If you look at the first one, you have 3 into 3, 3 into 3 plus 6 into 5. 6 into 5, 30. Oh, I got a problem. 6 into 5 is 30. 3 into 3. Okay. My net is stuck. Oh. Similarly, 4 into 4 is 16 and 5 into 7 is 35. 35 plus 16 will give you 51. Now what you need to do? 5 into 5 is 25. 25 plus 12 is 37. So answer is 37. Answer is 37. Now let me just see if I can move this forward. Uh-oh. I am not able to move forward. Oh, what can I do? My screen is stuck. Okay. The screen sharing is becoming a problem. Okay. Just give me a minute. I'll see what I can do. screen sharing is giving a problem. Let me just go back to some students in English. Okay, let me see. Which is okay. Let me see. Next week, noise is it? Okay. I don't know what noise is coming. Okay. Sales topic. Sales. Not able to answer at all. Huh? So what is that? Okay. So if you say yes, 7 into 2 plus 2 is 16. 16 into 2 plus 2 is 34. 34 into 2 is 68 plus 2 is equal to 70. So is 70. Okay. So okay. వాయిస్ క్లియర్ లేదా నాది వస్తుందా ఒకసారి చెక్ చేయమన్నా ఒకసారి Okay. Speaker ಇದೆ Okay. So using it from this flower, yeah. Okay. So we cancel the class. Okay, now we are close to 1 minute. Okay, now log out. Okay, now log out. Okay, so there is a problem with my screen sharing, looks like, and we will stop the class here today, and I will diagnose the problem, and when we meet day after tomorrow, anyway, we've completed chat logic, so whatever is there, we will take up day after tomorrow. So have a good day, and continue with your maths, physics, chemistry. All right.